Hello and welcome to Selection News Inside Campus. I am your host Rex Naik from the Department of Mass Communication and Journalism. In this special edition of Inside Campus News, I bring you the latest update on Verzotto Memorial Lecture organized by the Department of Philosophy at Salesian College Sonada Autonomous. News in detail by Anjana Rai.
2024, the Department of Philosophy at Salesian College Sonada hosted a special lecture in memory of Father Joseph Verzotto, SDB. The event centered on the topic Contemporary Social Phenomena and featured Father Dr. Scaria Thurithil, SDB, Professor Emeritus at Salesian Pontifical University, Rome, as the distinguished guest speaker. The program commenced with an introduction by Dr. Terence Mukhia, followed by a prayer and a welcome address by Father Johnny Nedangat, Director of Salesian College Sonada. Father Rector honored the guest with a traditional kada and extended the gesture to other dignitaries, including Father Dr. Scaria, Father Thomas P. Chart, former faculty of Salesian College Sonada, Father Gijo, Economer INC, Father Dr. Tommy Augustine, Rector of Salesian College Siliguri, Father T.V. George, Spiritual Director of Seminary in Sonada, and Father Dr. C.J. Matthew, Vice Rector and the Head of the Department of Philosophy. A special tribute to Father Joseph Verzotto was made by garlanding his portrait, led by Father Gijo John, and a floral offering by the attending fathers. Father Gijo then delivered a short message emphasizing the importance of knowledge, wisdom, critical thinking, and cultivating a passion for learning. Father T.V. George introduced the lecture and speakers, setting the stage for Father Dr. Scaria Thurithil's engaging discourse. The lecture addressed pressing contemporary social issues such as the influence of social media, the effects of globalization, immigration and migration trends. It also delved into the evolving dynamics of sexual behavior in modern societies. The lecture concluded with an engaging question and answer session moderated by Father Dr. C.J. Matthew. The event successfully concluded with a word of thanks by Father Preetham Barla, marking the occasion as both enriching and memorable.
That's all for today. See you in another episode of Inside Campus with camera person Pragya Ekka. I'm your host Rex Naik for Inside Campus. Thank you.